What if I told you weight loss isn't about starving? It's about what and when you eat. Today, we're breaking down exactly what we eat in a day for fat loss. Simple, realistic, and backed by science. If you've ever felt confused about diets, calories, or healthy food, you're not alone. This isn't a crash diet. This is sustainable eating that helps you lose fat, keep muscle, and actually feel full. Let's walk through a full day of eating, breakfast to dinner, and explain why each meal works. We start the day with water. Hydration first, because your metabolism and energy depend on it. Optional, black coffee. No sugar, no cream. Keeps calories low and boosts focus. Now here's the key. We don't rush into a heavy breakfast. Many people benefit from a light start or even a short fasting window to control calories naturally. First meal, high protein, moderate carbs, low sugar. Example, scrambled eggs with spinach, whole grain toast, and avocado. Why this works? Protein keeps you full. Healthy fats stabilize energy. Fiber prevents blood sugar spikes. This combination reduces cravings later in the day, which is where most diets fail. If you're hungry, don't ignore it, manage it smartly. Snack, Greek yogurt with berries or a handful of almonds. This adds protein and healthy fats without blowing your calorie budget. The goal isn't to avoid eating, it's to avoid mindless eating. Lunch is where most people overeat. So we keep it balanced and filling. Example, grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, olive oil, and a side of quinoa. Why this works? Lean protein supports fat loss. Fiber keeps digestion steady. Complex carbs give you energy without crashes. No heavy sauces. No hidden calories. Simple, clean, effective. This is the danger zone, where cravings hit. Instead of reaching for chips or sugar, go for something controlled. Apple with peanut butter. Protein shake. Boiled eggs. The goal, stay satisfied so you don't binge at night. Dinner is lighter but still satisfying. Example, baked salmon, roasted vegetables, and a small portion of rice or sweet potato. Why this works? High protein helps recovery. Fiber fills you up. Controlled carbs prevent overeating. No need to skip dinner. That usually backfires. Late night snacking is one of the biggest weight loss killers. If you're truly hungry, go for something light like cottage cheese or herbal tea. But often, it's boredom, not hunger. Weight loss isn't about extreme dieting. It's about consistency, smart food choices, and portion control. Focus on high protein, whole foods, balanced meals, calorie awareness. Do this daily, and results will come. If this helped you, hit subscribe for more real, science-backed fat loss content. And comment below, what's the hardest meal for you to control? Because once you fix that, everything changes.